How to assemble the Zinus Ellie bed frame. This is a wood platform bed frame made of bamboo. Zinus says it takes under an hour to assemble, so I timed it to see how long it took. Okay, we need scissors because this one has a zip tie. For step one, we have ones, but it says fives on that end, so make sure it's on the one. And this is one. So you have one, two pieces of ones. So you need to try to line them up so the open little piece. Make sure that this says up, is facing up. And now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. This one's where it gets confusing because it says D&E, but they're not labeled D&E. They're only labeled D&E on the parts list. Just get all the threes lined up.
Okay.
And then we have...
So there's clean surface on that side.
Okay. So we're gonna line up all the threes. You got the two threes together, and then you got this three part. Okay, so we're gonna use these, and we're gonna connect here. Make sure that these are facing the right way. So these are gonna be where you put the mattress, so it's at the top. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing again with the other threes on step 3.
Now we're gonna connect the fours with the fours.
Fours have pegs right in the middle. At this point, we realize that these are not straight. And so he is loosening it on this end. I'm loosening it on this end. And we're gonna try to move it that's straight. And I'm using this one, which is a lot easier. You loosen it one way, and then if you want to do the other way, you click this and then it will tighten it. Okay, I just lined this up. Now that it's loose, see, now I can just kind of, and there. You're straight?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna tighten it. Okay, make sure it's straight. That's why I never tighten it till the very end. This one's not going in right very well. That's not going in.
Okay, let's
take it off.
Here.
Okay. Now it's working a lot easier. Looks like, yes. Okay, that's how you know you got it right, when it actually tightens.
Sometimes if you turn these little things around, it works. Oh,
What little things?
these little things,
Oh,
you
yeah.
turn them the other way.
Okay, and that's flat and centered.
5.
Okay, step 5.
Right.
And now for step 6, and this is adding the metal supports to the middle section. The next piece that says 6 with that piece that says 6. Gonna line them up, put on a washer.
Yes.
Okay, and now we're gonna connect all the support pieces. This is step 7. This short support with the 6 that we just did. Just doing, and now the other 7 fits right onto there. Is that straight? And then we're gonna add this piece going that way.
That's all I needed to do.
Okay, on this one we just had to force it. It's hard. It looks like we're gonna be able to put
now
it
it's
in.
easier.
Okay.
I think there was just maybe an alignment issue.
You just have to work to get it as aligned as possible. And now we're going to do step 8, which is to attach the crossbar. Okay, and now for step 9, we're going to connect the middle beam right there with the little screws. And that side, same thing. Here it is. Step 11 is to put the slats, and step 12 is to put the other side of the slat. This is what supports your mattress. You do not need a box spring. You just put them directly on the slats. Make sure you have the adhesive side.
The adhesive side has to be
up. It like connects to the mattress.
So we're gonna turn it over.
Yeah. The heavier mattresses need slats that fit tighter. But okay, so we're just gonna start at the bottom and then just stretch it and work your way up. Okay, and then the other side, make sure that's lined up. So when we're ready to put the mattress on, then we're gonna get tape. We're not gonna do that now. I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other section. Let's see how long it took.
1 hour.
1 hour. That's a little bit longer than I
12
thought
minutes.
it would take. But we are done. Yeah. Here's what the Zinus bed frame looks like at the end. I will show you with about 14-inch thick mattress, I believe, on it, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Make sure to check out my review of this bed frame next. I'll put a link above and in the video description so you can check that out. And please subscribe to Unbox Mattress for more bed frames and mattress tips and assembly.